Good morning, my fellow subscribers, viewers, and audience. Once again, this is your host, Noor Ali. I'm gonna adjust my selfie stick over here. There you go. I think it's better this way. It's kind of focused differently, but hey, it's there, right? You can see stuff. As always, I'm grateful to the universe, cosmos, the divine spirit, elements, and gods, or God. A God, or the creator of all. How about that? Anyhow, anyway, right tools for right job. Today's chapter, episode, content, segment is a little bit different. It's still right tools for right job. Okay? Still is there. But we are going to focus on something different. Can you see that? Okay. I guess you can. All right. So, this is your host, Noor Ali, right tools for right job. Life is not linear, right? Linear. Life is vertical and horizontal. This movement is also connected to your technical career, field, trade, and craft, right? Now, have you ever wondered, have you ever thought about how your career is lined up with your zodiac sign, right? So today I'm going to use some modern tools. Later on, as I move through my slide, now I'm an Aries. There are many Aries out there, right? So I'm using a Genesis 822 to explain, to make you understand how life is changing, evolving, right? It's never the same. We are kids, we are toddlers, we become adolescents, we become adults, we become parents, we become grandparents, and life goes on, right? Life is not always tools, technology. It's not like that at all, okay? You have a focus in life after work. But the focus of this channel is tools for right job. Okay, that's what we're going to focus on. So, personal growth. What is personal growth? Personal development, goal setting, self-discovery, self-assessment, and action. So, what I just said earlier about the zodiac sign, it goes into self-awareness, it goes into self-discovery, action, and goal settings, right? And the rest is written over there. You can read and talk to yourself. Now, we live in cloud technology, so security, since I'm a SOC guy, InfoSec guy, and survivalist. Let's just say that. You need to understand what a massive cyber attacks are. DDoS attack, phishing, backdoor, MTM, and SQL injection, and ransomware. Now, this is Aries. Also, Aries is known as the initiator. Okay, you need, if you're an Aries or other signs within that time frame, zodiac, fire signs, I call them fire elements, right? Get to know that better. Get to know that better. Okay. Aries is known as a pioneering ram. The information is right in front of you. Get to understand that very well. There's another explanation of Aries. If you are an Aries, either Leo and Sagittarius, it gives you some explanation. Okay? This is the weakness, all right? Now, whenever this comes into job interviews, they will ask you these questions either in the technical side or a non-technical side. What are your weaknesses? Get to know yourself better so you can answer it very well, right? Your strong points and your weaknesses. All right? So here you need to understand the approach of self-care and channeling the warrior within, harnessing your fiery potential, right? If you are a fire element, zodiac sign, and you are into tools and technology, you are into IT, IS, any form, I will explain you better as we move forward. All right, then you have what you call a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. Okay, it goes back to self-discovery. Know yourself better than others. Then you have tools, right? There's a SAP security, there's a IT security, and then you got tools, right? Right tools for right job. It fits in. Then you have Nmap and Wireshark. And then it's the bottom part, what the Nmap and Wireshark is used for. Then, of course, you have roadmap of becoming a cybersecurity engineer. Then it's the bottom part right there. Then we go back to Aries, right? Energetic, hyper-focused, aggressive, determined. Cheetah. Cheetah in English. Hindi, Urdu, Bangladeshi, Sri Lanka, different languages. But it's known as cheetah. Cheetah. Keep that in mind. All right, there's some explanation. And best partners for Aries are leopards, hawks, stallions, and falcons. So falcon is one of my birds. And stallions, of course, and hawks. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, there's some more concept of zodiac sign. All right, this is called a seasonal influences. Now, why do I bring seasonal influences? Because we know in the heavenly bodies where the planets are, like Mercury, Mars, they move. Sun moves, moon moves. Okay, a movement is there. Earth is moving, right? Look at the Earth plate tectonics plates. They call it Earth plates, right? They're ripping apart. They move. They come across. Contraction, extraction. Everything is happening, right? So that is known as seasonal influences. Now, if you are into astrology or astronomy connected together, you'll know that the day you're born, as your life progresses, things will change, right? Your career, how you make money, who you get married to, all that stuff, right? But each time a planet moves into your horoscope box, it is related to your career, related to your family connections, your friends connections, and how you earn money. Very important. Very important to understand. Okay? Now, this is AWS Cloud Service cheat sheet. All the tools are listed, right? Depends. Are you in storage technology? Are you in network? Content delivery? Are you in security, identity, and compliance? Are you analytics? Are you in application integration, financial management, compute, and database, right? Right tools for right job. This map in AWS, right there, okay? Keep that in mind. This is right tools for right job. So guess what? I went to ChatGPT. Of course, I have a login. Of course, I use it time to time personally for my projects and what's so not. I asked ChatGPT and it gave me a particular career, trade, craft, field of interest for Aries. And there you have it. Entrepreneur, sales executive, military or law enforcement, sports professional or coach, emergency service, right? Okay, now I'm going to leave it there so you can read. Now I'm going to go further down. And then consulting, creative arts, wonder why I'm an artist, right? I am a visual artist. Okay, this. Now, I did ask career-wise, trade-wise to ChatGPT, right? My questions was, yeah, engineering, right? And it gave me the answer right here. So yeah, I've been in engineering for a long time, and it proves the point, right? It proves the point. I'm using technology. My background, my trade, my craft is electronics engineering technology. It's been over 30 years since I came out of school, and guess what? I use ChatGPT, which is the right tool for the right job, to explain, am I on the right track in my life? I have been, right? It says it over here, okay? It's very simple, okay? Now we go further down to the rabbit hole. All right, so professional tools. Everything is mentioned over here, which we use, right? CAD, CAM, AutoCAD, and Abode, Photoshop. These are all tools. CRM system for Salesforce marketing, right? Microsoft Teams, Slack. I've been using that. Microsoft Project, Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, Excel. List goes on and on and on, right? This goes on and on. Most interesting part, we're going to go in there, is, okay, then it just breaks down all the tools, right? All the tools, right? All right. General traits is right there. Tech savvy, leadership tools, innovative tools, right? Right tools for right jobs. Remember, now, I also use ChatGPT to ask a simple question. Now, I asked ChatGPT to write me a code, right? A simple JavaScript. Look, it wrote me a code. I can copy this code and use it, right? And then I can do that in any language. So I did that. Learning Python. So it gave me a concept where to go to learn Python, okay? And learn it, to know it, to understand it, right there, okay? So we're going to stop right there. We're going to go back to this screen, okay? This screen is very important to understand, understand the future of programming, future of scripting, future of coding, right? Question is, I use scripting, I use coding, depends on the project, depends on the work, right? SOW. We call it SOW, statement of work, right? Either it's firewall scripting, either is some kind of network device that script needs to be changed. You don't change the whole script. You know, all scripts are archived, right? If you've been in an IT, if you have supported IT infrastructure, like I have for many years, the question remains, you can ponder on it. You can ponder yourself, right? Due to AI, look, right tools for right job, okay? Due to AI is rapidly increasing. We already know cloud computing is there. We already know automation is there. We already know 98% of the job. What do? Coding, scripting, GitHub, this, that, Docker, this, that. I've used it in my previous projects. That's why I'm talking about it, right? So my question, my statement today is going to stop right there and say, is it worth it? Is it needed? Is it required to become a master in coding and scripting, right? If the machine is able to do for you, the proof is in front of you, right? You need to know just enough so you can move on, okay? As long as you can ask the question, understand the script, understand the code, then verify a code through another tool called lint. Okay, there are tools out there where you can verify and validate the script is correct. And if you want to use that script, move forward. There are complicated scripts I know that requires internal company things, username, passwords, this, that, right? IP address, subnet mask, this, that. Okay, we can get into this in a later chapter, later chapter as we move forward in our lives, right? But this is a proof, evidence, validation, confirmation that as AI becomes more stronger, where are all the scripters, coders, and programmers going to go, right? Then we are back to the world between a technical and non-technical. So you have to have the non-technical skills and you have to have the technical skills, right? So you can survive and you can live in this world as we move forward. This is a great episode, great vlog, great broadcast, great podcast. If you want to understand yourself, it's not about others. You know, I'm over 50, right? I don't know how long I'm going to live, right? If you're a teenager, if you're in your 20s, if you're in your 30s and 40s, trying to understand this. How your job is changing, how your career is changing, how your, how can I say, life is changing through to extreme automation, through extreme cloud computing, and through the extreme AI. That's the topic for today. It's not for me, it's for you out there. So once again, I'm grateful to the divine spirit. I'm grateful to the elements. I'm grateful to God. And I'm grateful to all my audience, subscribers, viewers out there in the world, right? Once again, thank you very much to all my subscribers. And God bless you all. Share, learn, teach, and grow. 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 If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you all.